Have you ever noticed that the most powerful people in the room are often the ones who speak the least? The ability to stay silent at the right moment can completely change the way people perceive you.
It can increase your value, make others respect you more, and even give you a sense of inner peace.
हम सब ने स्कूल में पढ़ा है that silence is golden, but over time we've forgotten this. So in this video we'll talk about the power of silence. Why speaking less can actually make you more powerful, more respected, and more in control of your life. So I have divided this video into 4 parts. Number 1, why do we feel the need to talk too much? Number 2, the psychological impact of silence. Number 3, how to practice the power of silence in daily life. And number 4, benefits of speaking less. Many of us talk excessively because we constantly feel the need to explain ourselves, to prove a point. And sometimes we feel the urge to fill in the awkward silences. But have you noticed that the people who speak less often have a mysterious aura? They appear confident, wise, and in control. Silence is powerful. It makes people curious. It commands attention. And it allows you to observe more than you reveal. Now, what is the psychological impact of silence? When you speak less, you give more weightage to your words. People start listening to you carefully because they know that when you do speak, it's something important.
Research shows that silence helps reduce stress, improves decision making, and makes people around you respect you more.
I have noticed this in my husband. He's the silent one between the two of us. Earlier, I used to misunderstand his silence with rudeness. But now I know that's not true. Because he speaks whenever it is necessary, and when he does, it's always meaningful.
Think about great leaders, monks, or successful business people. They all know when to stay silent and when to speak.
Now that we know the impact of silence in one's life, let's understand how to practice the power of silence in daily life. Number 1, pause before you speak. Before reacting to anything, take a deep breath and think, is this necessary? Will this add value? If the answer is no, stay silent. Number 2, observe more and speak less. Pay attention to body language, tone, and emotions of others instead of just responding quickly. As a writer, I have done this almost half my life, and it has helped me observe people well and then convert them into characters in my books.
Number 3, don't explain too much.
Learn to say no, or you can say, I'll think about it and let you know, instead of just giving random explanations or justifications. I know it's very difficult to say no, but sometimes you have to say it just for your own good. And number 4, let silence work for you. If someone is trying to argue with you, stay silent. Because sometimes silence is the best response. It shows maturity and confidence. Now let's come to the benefits of speaking less. Increases your value. People respect those who don't reveal everything about themselves too quickly. Builds confidence. You appear more in control when you don't talk unnecessarily. Improves relationships. Listening more and talking less makes you more likable and approachable. So be a good listener. Gives you inner peace. Silence reduces overthinking and helps you connect with yourself. Remember, silence is not about not speaking at all, but it is about knowing when to speak and when to stay silent. The more you control your words, the more control you have on your life. I hope you liked today's video. Which of these tips did you find useful? Do let me know in the comment section below. And if you liked this video, then don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe to my channel, and share this video with someone who would want to hear this. I'll see you in the next video. Till then, take care, keep smiling. Bye.